Today I'm going to be retouching my blue hair. It's a little green looking right now, which I'm not really a fan of, but I'm about to fix it. And, my roots are out of control. I look crazy. It's all swamp water green, and I don't got time for that. So let's go on ahead and get into this process. The products that I use are all Carol's Daughter. I use Manic Panic for the color. It's called After Midnight. Use Do Grow Hair Revitalizer, to moisturize my hair afterward. And I'll put a link for everything in the description box below. So first things first, I comb my hair. I feel like it just helps with a little bit more of an even placement of the color, so that there's no knots or tangles that are stopping it from getting to specific parts of the hair. Thank the Lord that I'm not tender-headed, because my hair is thick and it's nappy and it's a problem sometimes. And then I go back with this metal pick so that I can really get to be honest, it's just to get my scalp, because my scalp be itching so bad. I have the worst dry scalp you could imagine. It's too much sometimes. Here you can see my roots been growing out for months. I'm not gonna be bleaching it today just because I don't do that on my own. I have my coworker usually help me, and since we're on quarantine, can't really do that. So gotta put my gloves on, because I do not want to look like I've been playing tag with the Smurf all day when I'm done. And here's a fun fact about Michael. I hate putting on gloves, especially if they're not stretchy. My hands are big, they always bust and break, and it's just really frustrating. And then my hands, they feel sweaty, and I'm claustrophobic, so that doesn't help either. And I get there eventually, but it usually takes a little bit of time. So I sped it up, because this was a 10-minute process. I'm lying, not 10 minutes, but it was longer than it should have taken. So eventually we get there. We made it to the finish line, y'all. We didn't give up putting them dumb gloves on. But here's a product that I use. It's called Manic Panic After Midnight, and I cannot get it to focus in this camera for nothing. I tried, it wasn't working. But it's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it. You don't get much in each container, but it does the trick, so I don't mind paying for it. Having blue hair is pretty hard though, because you can't put your head on anything. My pillowcases are stained. I can't put on a white t-shirt without having a do-rag on first, because it'll mess up my stuff. It's very stressful, and I forget that my hair is blue sometimes, so I messed up a lot of stuff on accident. And yeah, let me just put that disclaimer out there. So now I'm transferring the color to my tin bowl. Here it is. It looks super dark. It's a dark blue color, but yeah. Here I have a clip, because I'm going to try and section it just a little bit, just to keep some parts out the way. But I soon find out that that's not going to work, because my hair is short, but it's a lot of it, and it was just pointless to do that. And I also thought that I was going to go through, section by section and be all neat and proper with it. But that also failed. Didn't fail, but I just didn't feel like doing all that. I wanted to hurry up and get done. So here I am, just applying color to the section, making sure to saturate it so I get all the strands. I know you see my little curls coming through, because that's what my hair does when moisture hits it. It's not unheard of, but I enjoy it. Here I am trying to fix the lighting in the bathroom a little bit, because it seems so bright on camera, which it was. So I made it a little bit better by flipping the shades the other way. But yeah. It was hard to film in this bathroom. Right here, I started contemplating on if I was going to just use my hands to do it, or if I was going to keep using the brush, and my hands won. I was over it, and I was just ready to get it done with. But I'm just applying it with my hands, like I was rubbing in some kind of hair product. I'm using the comb a little bit just to get some spots, but other than that, it was time to get this show on the road. I was over it. So now I'm done with the front half of my head. Have the color in there pretty evenly, and whatnot. Look at those curls. And if you haven't noticed, I have this little patch of hair on the top of my head that is straight. I don't know what's going on with that. It's like a real alfalfa moment. It just happened out of nowhere. But it is what it is. I know how to hide it when I, style my hair or whatever. But now I'm just applying color to the back of my head, saturating that, getting my kitchen and all those little nooks and crannies back there. And, yeah. So now I'm done adding the colors, so now I'm combing it through just for an even better distribution, try and get all the strands. I like to do this just to make sure that I didn't miss any spots if I possibly could have. And yeah, that's what I do this for. Now I'm washing out my hair. I use extra cold water, like the coldest setting, and it's kind of uncomfortable at first, but then the longer that I'm down there, it starts to feel better and better. So I'm gonna wash my hair with the Black Vanilla sulfate-free shampoo from Carol's Daughter. First I just rinse out like the excess color so that I'm not, just rinse out the excess color. And then I go ahead and get my shampoo and wash my hair as normal. And another big tip is to wash your sink out immediately after you do this because it will stain. And after this, I took like 15 minutes cleaning out the sink because it was like there was blue leftovers in there, and it looked pretty bad in there. After I finished washing my hair, I turned the camera off so I could clean the sink out and forgot to turn it back on. So I missed the part where I, conditioned my hair and everything, but it was just, how you regularly condition your hair. Let it set for a little bit and then wash it out. So I did that, and now I'm just combing out my hair with the conditioner in it still before I rinse it out. Just, get it evenly distributed, and then I rinse this out, and then, So I'm going to show you guys a couple pictures that I took after I finished the process for the finished look, and hope you like, comment, subscribe, and catch you in my next video.